Hey, good morning, traders. This is James with StrategyVault. Welcome again to day 2 of our live sessions. As of always, I have to inform you that we are not financial advisors and this is for entertainment purposes only. So with that being said, welcome. Well, let's just start today with first off, we'll start with the news. We always start with the news on our trading session. And look at the news. So I know that Trump spoke at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. Let's see, we just had retail sales. And Trump speaking for news today so far. But there's so much news going on. Looks like at 9 o'clock we have pending home sales. Just some things that we need to watch out for. The markets are going to go open here in about 13 minutes. So as you can see, we have our zone marked out on our chart again. At this time, StrategyVault Pro system has notified a sell at this point. Once again, we'll wait till the markets open. Lots of news today. Ceasefire in Iran is supposed to expire tomorrow. They believe that there will be an agreement. They're also supposed to inject money into the economy. They're also supposed to start venting the new guy taking over for Jerome Powell. So President Trump said he expects the U.S. to make a great deal with Iran. And if that happens, watch out for volatility in the market, I can tell you that. So with that being said, let's take a look at the chart here. As you can see, we're in kind of a range. We broke out right here, pushed higher, made a pre-market high of 26,902. Sold off, been selling off for the last approximately hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes. We'll see what happens when the market's open. The zone that we're watching at this time right now is right here. We have these white lines here. Actually, why don't I extend that? That'd probably be a lot easier if I extend that for you. Have that marked perfectly, but we will get it marked. Looks good there. This zone, let's see. Okay, so that's our zone that we're watching at this time. We'll see what happens if we go back into that zone, maybe break the top. You never know what's going to happen when the market's open. So that's what we're watching at this time. About 10 minutes till the market opens. Little history about StrategyVault. We've been around since 2018. We started on the Nadex platform, if anybody's aware of the Nadex platform. that's where StrategyVault got its start. So the system has evolved since. A little history about the Nadex platform was it was binary options, and it expired every. You could you could trade any type of binary options. You know, 5 minutes to an hour to 2 hours, if I remember correctly. But ever since Nadex closed, we had to regroup and change our mission, and futures was the best option for us and our system, which performs very well. So that's a little history on StrategyVault Pro. We were originally Nadex Profit Trade Group for the last 8 years. So it's been a while. We've been around a while. StrategyVault Pro has changed hands a couple of times. The system has always performed. So here's what we're watching. If we get above 26,831, we're looking for maybe a little more movement to the upside. If we break 26,800, be looking for movement to the downside. And we're going to just try to join the momentum whichever way the market goes. We don't care which way the market goes. We can sell or we can buy. Like I said, we'll see if it goes up or down. Who knows? There's so much stuff. Once again, I can tell you right now, this is going to be a challenging day. But welcome. Like I said, these broadcasts, they're going to be rough, cut, and dry. This is we're not professionals by any means. We're just a group that loves to trade the market and decided to do this. And I am your main trader. Market's pushing down. We're probably going to get a push down to the pre-market low, which would be 26,797. Or, I'm sorry, 790. Probably 790 or lower, and then we're going to be looking to go move it more down. But the thing is the system is telling me above 831, be looking to the upside. Below 26,800, we're looking for more movement to the downside. Like I said, we've got we got to watch out for the chop and the volatility when the market first opens. Got about 6 more minutes. And the market's starting to chop around now as we speak. Watch those levels. It's going back and testing that level again. See what happens. Remember, we said below, above 26,830, we might get more movement to the upside. The market's retraced to almost 100 points since we got that last notification for sell. Or I'm sorry, missed that one. There was a notification at approximately 26,860. So, anyways, it's retraced about 50 points. Look at the chop before the market opens. We got about 3 minutes. Look at, we're right to the bottom of the range. You know, let's see here. I'll go ahead and I'm gonna draw a box. Might get a pop to the upside here. As you can see, this, I think if we just draw our box here, look at this right here. This is what we're looking for. We might get, if we break out of this box here, might get the movement to the upside. See if I can take this so we can see that a little better. See our box. And once again, remember, we are watching those levels, that zone that we drew, the white line here and here. I'll go ahead and make that a little bigger so we can see it. It's got about 2 minutes till the market opens. As you can see, we are in a type of uptrend. Not a very strong uptrend by any means. It actually kind of broke it right there. Not very strong uptrend. Let's just see what happens. See if we break that. 43 seconds till the market opens. See what happens. This is where we, I discussed it yesterday. This is where we stay patient. There'll be a lot of volatility, a lot of manipulation, and we wait. We just wait. We wait for that opening range to form. Here we go. Market's getting ready to open. Market is open. There we go. Pushing down. Look at that. Oh, see? This is the thing. Wow. This is why. This is why you wait. This is crazy. Here comes the volatility. Like I said, we're looking for above 830 and holding to move to the upside. And below, there we go. Did an Asian sweep right there. Pushing down to Monday's high. Monday's high, push down. Okay. We need to wait for this. This is why. Let's see what levels. You got to realize the market's at all-time highs. We could come down to the 26,733 level very easily. Let's see how this candle forms. This is look at that. Broke Monday's high. What information we have down low here. Okay. Look at that. Okay, so now we might get a pull up back up to 26,800, and then I would be looking to go short. Gotta wait. Remember, wicks tell a story. Look at these wicks right here. Actually, right here. This is our from yesterday, the range that we here and here, the zone that we played. We'll see how this forms. See how this candle forms. So 26,710. Remember, that was a hard zone for us to break the other day. We'll let this candle form. That's pretty big. There's a pullback. Pulling back. We'll let this form. First 5-minute candle. It's crazy. Remember, we are in a sell position according to StrategyVault Pro. All right, I'm gonna go short real quick. Nice. All right, we're out. That's 190. See, we waited for that second candle. And we went with the momentum. See, we could have stayed in that even longer. And actually, I say we'll wait on this candle here. I bet we're gonna come down to the 670. We've got a lot of liquidity setting down from the 20th. Yesterday, actually, at around the 670. So we'll let it pull back, and it's pulling back. Let's see if we can get us a good, make that a little bigger. See what this candle does. We do have a gap up top there. It probably may go back and fill it. See if we can get another push down. It may not. See, we're starting to. Let's go here. Let's see if we can get a push down. Are we going to continue this flush, or are we going to pull right back up? Pulling up. Nine o'clock. I'm sorry, 10 o'clock. I read 4 News. Home sales.
Need better internet? Cox Internet has the fast, reliable speeds.
I'm gonna try to go short again.
300 meg internet
If we
with
get a
2-year
push.
plan, price lock guarantee, plus equipment included. Switch today. Taxes and fees excluded from price guarantee.
I don't like that.
Hunters,
Push.
our new Huntrix meal is now at McDonald's.
With Namyan McShaker fries, 10-piece chicken McNuggets, and a drink. Oh,
Aye,
plus
aye,
tuna
aye,
sauce.
aye,
And
aye.
sick photo
Push,
cards.
baby.
And it's totally better than Saja Boy's breakfast, so pick our meal.
At participating McDonald's while supplies last.
Break that 50. Push. Are we gonna get the push, or are we gonna get trapped? There's the 50. Push. Push. Oh yes, we'll take that. There's 180. All right, we got our push. We got to be really careful. We got news coming out here in about 20 minutes. Like I said, I believe it's going to push down to 730. And actually, after that, after we break that, my next level is the 670. And that's from a lot of liquidity sitting there from yesterday. We don't know. Let's see if we can break that level, that 730 level. But also, you need to realize that the opening range hasn't formed yet. So we'll wait. I'm good with waiting now. Probably gonna get that push again. We'll break that 730. Next level I'd be looking at it is the low. There's 680. Got 4 minutes on this other candle. Yep, we got chop going on at this time. If we can just get a now we wait. We may go back and fill that gap. There's our push. There's our push. And now if we break that range, like I said, we're looking to go down to the 670, 680. Remember from yesterday, I stated that when I call a level, it's 10 points or more on either side, above or below is what I'm looking at. So what I'm looking at now is if we break that 30 again, I'm looking for more movement to the downside. If we break the 26,770 once again, doesn't that sound familiar? That's from yesterday, the same levels from yesterday. So like I said, if we can break that 730 level, I'm looking for more movement to the downside. So we'll see. Let's let this candle form. Also, there's about 3 more minutes before the open range forms. And it's a heck of an open range, approximately 100 points from top to the bottom. That's the high for the range was 26,838. So far, the low is 26,726. So a little over 100 points there. So we'll wait. See, we're getting chopped now. We don't like this. So if we get chop, what we'll do is we'll draw our box around that chop, and we watch it until it breaks out of that box. Is another method that we use. See, now we're getting the push up a little bit. Like I said, if we get above the 26,077, there we go. Now we wait for this candle. Now this may be a bull trap. We need to watch it. We may go higher, or they may be trapping bulls. Let's see what we're back to Monday's high there. See that? I like this retracement because it means, remember I told you that the wicks tell a story. So it looks like if it continues to the downside, we've got some targets now other than the 680. It'll probably get down there. It'll just take a long while to do it. Oh, there we go. Looks like that may have been a bull trap. That pullback up to the 770. We never broke that 772 level. Now we're pushing up again. Like I said, we are definitely in some chop now. Let's see what happens. Oh. Okay. 1 minute and the ORB will be formed. Okay. Now we're green. There's a notification. Remember now we need to, there we go. You need to wait. Until that note. Now that's, once again, what did I say? Probably bull trap. Huh. See, remember those wicks tell a story. If I can get, I'm gonna go short. See if we get some push through. Push. Oh, See if we can get a push. Come on now. Give us a push down. Push us, baby. Okay. Oh, we had it. We should have got out. Push, baby. See if we get a push. No. I don't like how this is acting. Push. Push. Ah. Oh boy. Push. Come on, give us our push the other way. I don't like this. Oof. Give us our push down. 3 minutes. Push. Push. Come on. I don't know what it's gonna do. It's definitely not giving us what we want at this time. If we could just get our push down. Oof. No, we do not want that. Do not want that. Ooh. Push down, baby. No, come on now. Push down, baby. I don't like this at all. Let's see if we can get our push down. Come on. 2 minutes. Ay, ay, ay. See, this is... We should have waited. Ay, ay, ay. Push down. Push down. Not good. We can get our push back down. Ay, ay, ay. Alright. What the? This is ridiculous. Okay, that's fine. That was not good. That's okay. See, we got caught. We got trapped. That's okay. Let's see here. So we got trapped there. Let's see what else we get. Let's see if we can get a push. I think we're gonna... Yeah, so we're down 350. That's okay. We can get that back. Let's see how this candle forms. See, it at 770 level once again. I'm still not interested in a buy. Okay, now we need to wait. All right, so what I'm looking below... There's a momentum stepping in. Let's see if we can push down. And that may be another trap. Ay, ay, ay. Push, baby. Let's get that push to that downside hard. Push. Oh. Push it. Push it. We can push down to that low. Push it down. See, this is where we do not want to be. If we can break that 60, we might get more movement to the downside. Come on. Push down. Gotta watch it. Push to the downside, baby. Nope. Downside. Ay, ay, ay. Come on. Oh, I don't know. The Fed speaker's coming up, so give us our push to the downside. Let's see here. Boy, I don't know if we're gonna get it. Okay. Okay. Now we have we may get a push right back up. Let's go see what we can do here. Maybe we can get our push back all the way up. Oh, we went back up to that gap. See if we can get our push up. Let's break that 800. Let's go to the top of that range is what I would like to see. We can get it to the top of that range. Today's going to be a tough day. Ay, ay, ay. We can get this candle to form. Oh, there's a nice little push. All right, all right. Let's go. Let's go to the top of that range. Nice. Top of that range. Aye. We had it. We had it. Get our push up. Push. We can get us our push up. See how this candle closes. If we can get that close. Oh, that's a nice close. Nice. Let's go. Break that 800 now. Push. Nice. There's a nice push. Push it. Oh, yes. Okay. All right. Let's see if we break that. If we get to the... Come on. Let's push. Bulls are strong. Bulls are strong. Push it up to that high. Come on, let's go 827 level, 830. Nice. Nice. Break that 820 now. Now, we're back inside that zone. Let's get that push. Break that 20 level. Oh. See if we can get our push. Let's break it. Nice. There we go. Okay. Let's push it up. Give us our pop. Push it. Push it. Break that level. Push it. Push it. Previous day high. Nice. See how this candle closes. Push it. There's a 20 level. Yeah, we're going to take that 660. So we got a notification from the system, and we went with the system. All right, so the feds are going to start speaking here in about 2 minutes. So we wait. $31. If we take out that 31 level, we'll be looking for more movement to the upside. But we have not got the movement yet that we're looking for. And actually, today's a tough day. Every day is a tough day with the war going on. Let's see what we got here. Maybe we're going to go to that pre-market high, but we'll wait. Like I said, the news is coming out. Definitely going to play a role, that news coming out. Whoa. Look at that. See, we got to pull back and then we will. See if we can get a push up. push up. We can get a nice push up. No volatility coming into the market. Push. 3 minutes. So we're gonna get a nice push. Oh, the volatility. Push. Remember, the wicks tell a story. Get that push. Ay, ay, ay. I hope they're not talking about the injection of the $7.5 billion into the economy. We probably shouldn't have been in this, but we'll see. We'll see if we can get our push through. Push. Get our push up to that We could just get a push up. I don't know if we're gonna get it, guys. Oh. It's gonna. We don't like this. Push. Aye. See, we got our push up and then right back down. Break that 50 level. I don't know. Push. Yeah. Give us a push. Nice. There's our push. There's our push. Give us our push. Push it. We had it. Nice. There's our push. There's our push. Oh, we had it. Nice push, nice push. Nice push, nice push. Push it. Nice. Nice push, nice push, nice push. Break that 65. Give us that push again. There. Let's get that push. Nice. There's the push. Come on. We can get our push back up.
Enjoy more ways to save at Dillon's, like low prices in every aisle. And you can clip and save more with digital coupons.
Boy, we had it. Push it. Push it. Push it hard. Push. There we go. Push. Push up to that. We will, if we can get that push again. Push. There. Nice push. Nice push. Nice push. Nice. All right, we'll take that. All right, that puts us back in the green for today. We'll wait now. I wanted to see it go to that pre-market high, but it didn't. It probably will. What happened to my music?
Coupons in the Dillon's app. Plus,
Sorry. Got some deep focus music. We're probably going to get it up. We'll wait for a pullback and then a push. Remember, the wicks tell a story, so here's what we're going to be looking at is this level here, 878 level. So as you can see, I have nothing to hide. You saw me lose money and you saw me make money. You don't win every trade. Now we will wait. Fed's speaking. Look at that pullback. This is good. We want to pull back. Now, what did I tell you about the box that we drew? Remember, if we break out of this box, either to the downside or to the upside, this is what we're looking for. So now we're breaking out above to the upside. But look, the zone. I talked about the zone all the time. We have not broke out of this zone to the upside. Now look at the pullback. And right here is the opening range high, opening range low. We're getting a pullback. The bulls are still in play. See how this candle closes above 60. We might try that 70 level again. We get that push above that 60-ish level, we might be looking for more movement to the upside. There we go. Now we're getting our push. Remember, the wicks tell a story. There's our 60 level. 60. I'm going to try a long. Probably shouldn't, but we'll see what happens. If we can get that movement to the upside. Okay. There's our push. Give us a push, baby. Push. Give us a push to the upside. There it is. There it is. We will take that. There's our push. All right. But once again, that zone. We didn't break the zone. We got to watch that zone. No, see? See if we get that. Nice. So the next level I'd be looking at to break would be above the zone there. Above the zone and close. Not just break it with a wick. See, that's 70 level. There we go. It's trying. I don't know if it's going to do it or not. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now remember, what we're looking for is the close outside. We got the previous high setting right there. And then the 4 hour candle high. Okay. All right, let's see if we can get a pullback. There's our pullback. Let's see if we can get a little more movement to the upside. I don't know. Ooh. Guess I'll push to the upside. Remember, the wicks tell a story. Oof. I do not like that. Damn news. Push. Yeah. We could get our push to the upside. Wow. I don't like that. Let's see what happens here. Just like that. We don't want. If we could get a push back up. Yeah, we don't like that. Push. That, we don't like how that's turning at. Okay, wiped out our profits for today, just like that. Okay, so now we wait. Yeah, this is a problem. So what I'm looking at is we break that 828 level. We're going to be looking for more movement to the downside now. And she's pushing down. See if we got our notification. There's that 28 level. We should get our notification. We'll see how this candle plays out. This could be nothing more than a bear trap. Get some momentum. So we went to the previous day high.
Hey, Mom, now that I have an after-school job, I think I want to buy a drum kit.
Okay, Rockstar. Let's look at your account.
When kids start making money, Chase has easy-to-use tools and expert bankers to help them learn how to manage it.
And next month, I'll buy the bass drum and the cymbals. Oh, and maybe some noise-canceling headphones for you.
Aw, you've thought of everything.
Help kids save, budget, and build financial independence, all with Chase. That's good for kids and good for parents. Visit your local Chase branch and get started.
Account subject to approval. JP Morgan Chase Bank, N.A. member FDIC.
See, that may have been a bear trap. We never got our cell notification yet. We'll see how this candle forms. Tough day, tough day. Previous day high rejection. Okay, are we going to get our notification? Looks like we are. I'm going to take that. We got our notification. Let's see if we can go to keep on our movement to the downside. There we go. Ay, 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 we had it. There we go. Push. Boy, I don't know. Tough day, tough day. We had it. There's our notification. But push down. Don't know. Today's a tough day. Tough day. There we go. There we go. Ay, ay, ay. Volatility. Oh, this is ridiculous. Need to break that 38 level. This is ridiculous.
AI is incredible. It knows the life cycle of a frog. And it can even write a poem, pirate style. Yarr! But it knows nothing about your work.
Break the 38.
SlackBot is different. It doesn't just know the facts.
We can get our push
it knows
down.
What you're working on, who you're working with, and what's due when. Because
I don't know if we're gonna get it.
Another AI. It's AI that knows your work as well as you do. Visit slack.com/meet SlackBot to learn.
There we go. Need to break that 25 level. Come on. Ay, ay, ay. $25. We need to break the 25 level. There's our push. I don't know. This is ridiculous. Ah. Oof. We got in too soon. Freaking news. This is ridiculous. So, this is why you don't trade when the news is going on. Ridiculous. Oh, well, I'll show you where we're at today. Not a, whew, all yesterday's profits almost. That's all right. we break that 45 level, you're looking for more movement to the upside. Oof. There we go. We'll wait until they get done with the Fed speech. So we don't have a notification, a sell notification at this time. And once again, they're still jabbing away. There we go. If we break that 45, there we go. I'm gonna go long. And just as I go long, wait the market. If we can we're just gonna take a quick scalp here. Maybe. This is ridiculous. Well, I don't know. There we go. Oh, and then right back down. There's a gives 10 points. And right back down. There we go. And right back down. Ay, ay, ay. See, we push. Oh boy. This if we can get us a quick scalp, I'm gonna get out. Come on. Get our push up. Give us a push up. Oof. Come on. These guys. These frickin' morons, I swear. I don't like that. If we can get a push up, I'm out. But I don't think we're gonna do it. Freaking markets. Listen to these people just arguing. These guys, idiots. Getting our sell. Oh, these people.
Granger knows that if you're a maintenance supervisor at a manufacturing facility and your machinery isn't working right, you need to understand what's wrong as soon as possible. So when a conveyor motor falters, Granger offers diagnostic tools like calibration kits and multimeters to help you identify and fix the problem. With Granger, you can be confident you have everything you need to keep your facility running smoothly. Call 1-800-GRANGER, click Granger.com, or just stop by. Granger, for the ones who get it done.
Still waiting. These people are idiots. All we can do is wait until that report is over and then get back in it. As you can see, I got chopped up, just like many people. See if that sell notification holds. See if we can get some follow through. I don't know. Ooh. There we go. Nice push. Down that pre-market low again. And we're going to push. Oh, nice push. Well, there's our push. Yep, and we can get a push. Break that 800. Take down to that 80. Nice push down. Nice. We're gonna push down the Monday's high would be nice. Ah. There we go. Ay, ay, ay. There we go. Push it down. We get that hold. $18 seconds. That candle closes. There we go. Oh no. Remember, the wick tells a story.
Building a business is hard, but protecting it doesn't have to be with LegalZoom. For more than 20 years, LegalZoom's online tools and network of attorneys have helped over 4 million businesses start strong and stay compliant. Rest easy knowing your business formation is done right from day one with LegalZoom. When you need a legal hand, trust LegalZoom. Get started at LegalZoom.com. LegalZoom provides access to independent attorneys and self-service tools. LegalZoom is not a law firm and does not provide legal advice.
That 80 level's holding. I think if we break that 80 level, more movement to the downside. Oh, there. Push. Hey. Break that 80 level. It's the 80 level. I think once again, see if we get that follow through. Push.
So this is the guy that Trump is basically saying that would replace Powell, and he would lower interest rates, right? So this is Trump's recommendation. So make no mistake about it. You see Warren and some of these other people that are not obviously favoring Trump, Chad, they're gonna obviously attack this pick, right? So be mindful of that. There's always two sides to politics and all that stuff. But yeah, this is why this is
80 level. Get a flush, but they there we go, breaking the 80 level. Nope. There we go. There we go. All right, we're gonna take that for now. Oh, and then it drops more. Okay, here's the situation. Rough day. Rough day. Oh, and we're still down for the day. Wow. See if we can get a more push through to the downside. Let it pull back. Now we'll take a short. See if we can get a push through that 50 level. Previous 400 candle low. There we go. There we go. 720.
The 2026 Chevy Equinox is ready for your daily drives, weekend getaways, and everything in between. Plenty of car.
There we go. Nice. 720 level. 720. Come on, 720.
It's your Equinox.
Push it.
Together, let's drive.
Here's how it sounds when you find termites.
There we go.
See the damage.
Oh, man.
But Terminix year-round protection sounds amazing. Book a free inspection at Terminix.com. Qualifying homes only. Terms apply.
Oh, push. Okay. Remember, nice. Okay, that's what we wanted. What a day. What a day. The point is this. StrategyVault Pro gave us that signal a long time ago. Gave not a signal, but a notification. Gave us that notification. What a tough day. One thing that we learned today, and you watched right in front of me, or we watched together, was the volatility during news reports and how it will chop you up. That puts us at 265 for the day, but that's okay. That is okay. We might even get more play to the downside. Let's let it pull back. Remember what we were looking for? Oh yeah, we're looking for the 670 level. That's exactly what we're looking for. Let it pull back. And I'm gonna go short again. I think we're going to the, there we go. Nice. Okay, we'll take that. Okay, now we're back in the game. But I believe it's gonna come down to the 670 level. We're pretty close. We went to 690. We're pushing to that 670. And then remember those wicks, they tell a story. I'm gonna go short one more time, see if we get that push through. Ay. I'm gonna take that $55 because I don't know what it's gonna do. Like I said, I believe it's gonna go to the 670 level, but the problem is this: they're still speaking. They're still speaking. There's our 688, 68. Yeah, we're going to 670. There it is. 670. 670. There's 680. There we go. Push. There's 670. There it is. 670 level. I called it. Going right to that 670 level. I told you there was a liquidity setting there. And look what happens. Right to that 670 level. Whew. Tough day again, but we're at setting about $595 in profit, so we're gonna take it. And it's 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. See, look at that, 670. I told you liquidity was setting there. They took out all that liquidity. Now they're gonna probably move it back up. But the point is this: we are done for the day. Tough day. Honestly, down about 1,100, but then we came back and had a green day. $600. We'll take it. I don't know. I might try one more if I get it. Let's let it pull back. There we go. Let's see if we can get a push to the downside, just for a little. There's our push. Whew. Oh, there's 100. We'll take it, and we're out. That's it for the day. That is it for the day. Let's see here. Close that out. We'll look at our for the day. $675. But ooh, and we're pushing right through that 670 level. To the next level I'd be looking at is 600. 600. Wow. Wow. The bears are definitely in play. Okay, and with that, another day, another good day with StrategyVault Pro. Tough day, challenging day, but it just goes to show if you stick at it. Tough day, tough day. All right, appreciate everybody. Once again, love to have you join us. StrategyVault Pro. Thank you guys. Have a good day.